Today kay na ako sa Smashville. Kay na ay dance workshop si Juliana. Jul dugay kay ka Jul. Kanina pa ko diri. Ang time natin is 6:15 pa. 7 PM na mag-start yung class. So medyo early bird ang tao ron. Kung kinagbad, hindi ko na-vlog sa tubangan sa nagbadminton guys. Tara. Pagpasikat.
Oo, matya natulog ko eh.
Sausawana! Let's get ready for Sausawa!
Look, gabay na ako. Ano, sa maning dalawa, where's na uban? Grabe makapost ang mga kinero tapos last part pag-attend ang mga workshop, wa? Ulaw ani, oh. Taga Jinsan, taga Tapurong, ako taga Sapo, taga ibang planet. Dito kayo visit to me, babe. Video mo.
Go!
We have technicalities. We show our effort and we express what our we feel.
Excuse me, based on the RA 17,368 pesos.
Hindi mo alam yan.
Patay.
So,
Toy Tudlo, thank you for coming. Yes! Thank you for coming. So, ano ang masasabi mo sa tinuro ko ngayon?
Worth it.
Bakit?
Biskan zero balance kapag uli, worth it.
Ikaw, Day, ano masasabi mo, Day?
First of all, I would like to give my gratitude, my utmost gratitude to the one and only Vitality and Vitalock. Yes. You know, guys, Vitality is such a great teacher, knowing that she has been learning walking since the day of dawn. And her teaching us what she knows is something that I will cherish. Is something that I will cherish until the day that I die.
Wow! Okay. Ano masasabi mo?
Dulan na.
Ay, naka-boyfriend ko.
Okay. Ang masasabi ko lang po is very new yung natutunan namin. Hindi siya yung usual na tinuturo sa workshop ng mga ibang walker. Ang ano talaga, tinuturo talaga yung Juliani kung paano maging patient. Hindi lang always twirl yung kamay. Dapat may patience kayo each time. Ganon! Next!
Spell patient. Capital P. Period. Ikaw, ito. Ano ang masasabi mo?
Yes, I just want to say na is very I mean ang masisay ko is thankful talaga because this kind of activity is very ano siya talaga sa amin as walkers. So parang opportunity na siya ba na like we must have to attend to learn, and mas ano talaga siya, mas effective siya because there are different kinds of things na ma-learn mo and something na ma-earn sa nimo sa self nimo. Even though kahit maglagi-lagi ang iba, so we understand also na maliit lang kami ngayon, but still it's worth it kasi nga knowledge is better than cure.
So guys, hi everyone. This is Juliana Kyle, aka Vitality, and I would like to thank sa mga sumali ngayon kasi wala lang. I'm so happy that some of people na gusto pa rin matuto mag-walking. So yeah, they don't upload this, guys. So, ayun na nga. I'm so very thankful kasi naituro ko yung mga naituro sa akin. And so yeah, pass to the next generation. Yun. So,